I regularly use a single clove of garlic in the toilet. I've been doing it for a long time, and it's the best method I know. Take an entire head of garlic and peel off the skins. Then slice a few cloves into thin strips. Garlic has a strong scent and natural properties that make it perfect for this task. Place the chopped garlic into a tall container. Pour in about half a cup of vinegar. It works as a natural solvent. Add a bit of plain water to dilute the mixture. Pour everything into a spray bottle and let it sit for at least 1 hour. During that time, the garlic will release everything it needs to work effectively. Before using the spray, toss a few slices of raw garlic directly into the toilet bowl. Leave them overnight, then simply flush. Spray the toilet bowl with the mixture, let it sit for a moment, and wipe with a dry cloth. The results are immediate, shiny clean, and naturally disinfected. This homemade method saves money and helps the environment. Your toilet will never need expensive store-bought cleaners again. Unclog your sink in minutes. I'll show you how to clear the drain using something you probably already have at home. A clogged sink can happen easily when hair or debris gets into the drain. Go to your cleaning supplies cabinet and grab a spray bottle. You'll also need gloves. Open the bottle and remove the spray nozzle with its tube. This is the key to the trick. Using a utility knife, make a few small cuts along the tube, shaping them like a Christmas tree pattern. Put on your gloves and insert the nozzle tube into the drain. Move it around a little, adjusting its position. Start pressing the nozzle. After a few moments, you'll notice the water beginning to drain. When you pull the tube out, you'll see the debris that was blocking the sink. This simple trick will leave your sink clean and eliminate bad odors. A crazy way to clean the toilet. I found it online, so see for yourself if it works. Place 3 rolls of toilet paper into the toilet. Then start using colorful dishwashing liquids. Begin by pouring yellow liquid over the paper, followed by a layer of green. Next, pour some orange detergent, then blue cleaner. The red liquid is perfect for removing stubborn yellowish stains. Follow up with purple liquid. For extra freshness, sprinkle the soaked paper with powder, preferably baby powder, as it absorbs moisture well. Then, throw in laundry scent beads to give a pleasant fragrance. Add shaving foam to the paper and start another round of liquids. Use pink, red, and orange detergents. Finish off with citrusy yellow liquid and fluorescent pink for the final touch to the colorful mix. Complete it with another layer of shaving foam. Leave the paper for an hour. After that, remove each roll one by one and place them in a Ziploc bag. Finally, use a brush to clean the toilet as you normally would. This method may be crazy, but it works. My neighbor showed me this household trick, and it completely surprised me. It turns out that solving some annoying home problems doesn't require specialized tools, expensive products, or a professional visit. Instead, you can use something you probably already have at home. This everyday item can work wonders in a way you'd never expect. Here's how to use it effectively. First, fill a plastic bag with water in your sink. Place the bag directly over the problematic area, and now it's time for the magic. When you run water, the water-filled bag creates a vacuum effect that solves the issue effectively. The entire process is simple, quick, and most importantly, effective. This method is not only fast but also eco-friendly and practical. You don't need chemicals or costly tools. Who would have thought that such a simple household item could become an unexpected hero? Sometimes the best solutions are right at your fingertips. Drop them in the drain, and the result will surprise you. The problem of clogged pipes will disappear in seconds. I'll show you how to unclog the drain with something you probably already have at home. First, clean the sink of any visible hair and debris. Sometimes these are caught on the strainer and just need to be removed. Then, take a liter of vinegar and boil it, preferably in a kettle. Let it sit for a moment. Drop 2 aspirin tablets into the drain. Pour the hot vinegar over them. Be careful not to pour hot vinegar on the porcelain sink, as it might crack. Pour the vinegar directly into the drain. You'll hear a characteristic bubbling sound, and foam may start to come out of the drain. When you hear the bubbling, pour a liter of boiling water into the drain. The aspirin, along with the vinegar and boiling water, will unclog the pipe, also neutralizing any unpleasant odors that occasionally come from the pipes. As you can see, a very effective mixture for unclogging drains is the combination of aspirin, hot water, and vinegar. You can use a toilet brush to thoroughly clean the inside of your car. Sounds strange, but it really works. When I go to the car wash, I always take it with me. You just need to modify it for this trick. Take a clean toilet brush and use a saw to shorten the handle to about 10 centimeters. Attach the shortened brush to a drill. Its handle should fit perfectly into the drill's chuck. Now take this tool to your car. Just turn it on and apply it to dirty, dusty mats. The drill's power pushes the dirt out better than vacuum cleaners. You can literally see the dust bounce off the fabric. Just brush over the mats a few times at an angle. The dust that comes out is easy to clean. Moreover, the brush will also clean the crevices under and beside the seats, removing even large pebbles and debris. Making this brush cost me only 3 zloty, and my car mats haven't been this clean in ages. Pour a tablespoon of salt into the toilet. The result is amazing. It's a simple and cheap way to make a bathroom cleaner. Prepare a cup or jug. Add 2 tablespoons of salt, then 3 tablespoons of baking soda. Next, take a lemon and poke a hole in the middle with a toothpick to squeeze the juice directly into the jug with the mixture. This combination is incredibly versatile, especially for bathroom cleaning. Add less than a glass of water and mix everything well. Using a funnel, pour the solution into a spray bottle. This homemade cleaner is a perfect alternative to chemical products. Spray it on the toilet, especially where limescale builds up. Let it sit for a few minutes, then scrub with a toilet brush or sponge as usual. You'll notice stains come off easily, leaving the toilet bowl clean and stain-free. This pink liquid is a real miracle. Cleaning the house has never been so enjoyable. Take a glass jar and pour in 100 milliliters of alcohol. Then add 100 milliliters of hydrogen peroxide, which is commonly known as hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide acts as a disinfectant, while the alcohol helps evaporate moisture, preventing streaks. Next, add 1 tablespoon of dishwashing liquid. Finally, pour in 3 cups of water to dilute the solution. Transfer the mixture to a spray bottle. Gently shake the bottle to mix the ingredients thoroughly. This pink cleaner is excellent for tackling stubborn limescale in bathrooms. It works well on countertops, bathroom surfaces, and even glass. It provides effective cleaning while being gentle on surfaces.